Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Focus bonnet. First, locate the interior bonnet release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull to unlatch the bonnet from its primary lock. You should hear a click. Once you've done that, move to the front of your vehicle as the bonnet will now be slightly ajar. Now that you're at the front of your Ford Focus, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. Reach your hand under the front edge of the bonnet, usually around the center. Feel for a small lever or catch. You'll typically need to push this latch to one side or lift it slightly to fully release the bonnet from its secondary lock. With the secondary latch released, gently lift the bonnet upwards until it's fully open. Next, locate the bonnet support rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Take the rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the bonnet or engine bay to securely hold it open. When you're finished, carefully remove the support rod from its slot and clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 6 to 8 inches above the closed position. Then, let it drop firmly to engage the primary latch. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's fully secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.